Hi guys! So, again, we're gonna try another food. We're here in Tanawan, Batangas, and meron ditong sikat na bake shop na it's called the Pastry Project Bake Shop and Cafe. So, bumili kami ng s'mores cake nila. So, chocolate s'mores cake. Yan. One of their best sellers. So, aside from this, marami din silang cakes, of course, like yung chocolate ganache cake, one of their best sellers, yung red velvet cake, tsaka yung blueberry cheesecake nila. Then, they also have carrot cake, yung most love nila, and then yung must try nila is yung sans rival and ube flan cake. Yun. So, meron din silang new yung choco pistachio dream nila. So, marami silang cakes available na I think you should try. So, for today, titikman natin itong binili namin, si chocolate s'mores cake. Tingnan natin kung masarap siya. Yan. So, ito siya. Okay, let's try. Sarap siya. Hindi airy yung cake niya. Tsaka talagang lasang-lasa mo yung chocolate niya sa loob. Then yung icing okay din siya. So, yung sarap BEM meter ko sa kanya, out of 5, 4. 4 out of 5. Yun lang. Thank you guys.